Recording. Hello there. This is a basic tutorial on how to do the movement joints for this push clamp. This tutorial will not be including the screws, nor how to combine this. But here's the basics of how to do so. Make a as-built joint, or Shift J, and make a rigid joint, i.e. here, and you will be able to make this bracket. And yeah. Now, we're going to do the tutorial now. So you can we're going to be using only as-built joints. So Shift J. This first one will be a slider. We're going to click your, and this barrel, which is what we'll call this. You then put the snap point inside the middle of the barrel. You can see that moves correctly. Now, we're going to press Shift J for as-built joint. We're clicking bracket and pull. We're going to make this a revolute joint and place it here. Now make sure it works. As you can see, it works perfectly. Now, Control Z, Shift J, or no, for as-built joint, bracket, lever. As you can see, previous shows should work. And it works. Control Z, Shift J one final time. Click body, click lever. Then click snap point, then OK. Ta-da! You have a push clamp. Now, there's two ways that you can set limits. You can either go to contact set, new contact set, click lever and body, and then that should work somewhat. However, this is not recommended. It uses your CPU and it doesn't fully work, as you can see. So, Control Z. We're then going to disable this, and instead, we're going to edit joint. Okay, I said edit joint. There we go. Edit joint. Minimum, maximum. Then you see these two flags. Go and grab one of them and raise it to your limit that you want it at. And now, ta-da! And that's how you make your basics of the push lever clamp. Have a good day and see you all next quarter.